Saturday, the 6th, I believe. Heading out the door. I'm geared up. I don't know how far I'm going to go. Early on, I was pretty fired up, and I was thinking 15 miles, but just not sure. It's really, really windy out. So wind and running just are not a good combo. So we shall see. But I am prepared to go long if needed, or just cut it short. So we'll see. All right. All right, 13.1, hour 52. Man, it was windy half the time, brutal. So yeah, it was a tough one. It was a lot tougher than last weekend for sure. So, but I got it in about 30 miles. So 10 tomorrow, and I should be get to 40. So not bad. I'm gonna go kind of, my legs are all thrashed, so I'm gonna have to go kind of roll them out or do something here. So, all right, till tomorrow.